Is it possible to lose weight by just drinking a small amount of apple cider vinegar daily? Hi and welcome to 3-Minute Health. Today we will be looking at apple cider vinegar and if it can help you lose weight. We will be providing a few examples of how to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet. The health benefits of apple cider vinegar have been known for thousands of years. Consuming it with starchy foods has been shown in some studies to slow the rate of stomach emptying. This in turn leads to a suppressed appetite and lower blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar is very good at stimulating your metabolism and helping your body to burn fat faster. Make sure you use raw apple cider vinegar for weight loss, as it still contains many of the organic acids and enzymes. It is recommended that you only have 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar a day. Too much can make you feel nauseous, and the acid can damage the enamel on your teeth. It doesn't matter which brand of apple cider vinegar you use, as long as it's raw. A $5 bottle will work just as well as a $30 bottle. You don't need to add anything to it to gain the weight loss benefits. Simply drink 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, diluted in half a glass of water. Do this once before breakfast and once more before lunch. We will be using baking soda in the recipe we recommend. Using apple cider vinegar with baking soda is very simple. Apple cider vinegar is great for helping you lose weight, but it is the baking soda that will reduce your waistline. Baking soda is good for aiding digestion and also for reducing bloating. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda recipe. 1. Take half a glass of water. 2. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. 3. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. 4. Stir and drink. Make sure you drink the solution straight down. Don't let it linger in your mouth if you can help it. This solution is high in acetic acid, so give your mouth a rinse afterwards. Take this solution once before breakfast and once before lunch. This is a powerful solution, so please check that it's okay for you to drink it. Baking soda is high in sodium, so people with liver disease, kidney disease, or high blood pressure should not drink this. Also, if you are on medication, be sure to check with your doctor first. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda will help you reduce weight and body fat. And for faster results, we recommend a balanced diet and outside exercise at least 3 times a week. If you would like to discover the top 10 benefits of apple cider vinegar, just click on the first link in the description below. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below.